got these 3 big old boxes in the mail. I wonder what it could be. I know it's better than Christmas morning. Let's check it out. Look at this. Uh-oh. What's that, y'all? What is that? What is that? Set that up there. Looks like the best pot ever made on the planet. I ain't never seen a pot that good in my life. Look at this manhole, y'all. Look at this. Look at that manhole. Look at that, y'all. It's the best looking pot on the planet. Get you some close-ups. Let's go to box number 2. Box number 2. In there. Oh. Look at that. What is that? It's like a whiskey bowl, bourbon bowl to me. Look at that son of a bitch right there. Wow. That's the knight. See that? That's the knight's armor right there, son. Yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. Here it is, mostly put together. I'm gonna have to move it on the ground for y'all to see it because that damn light. But it's beautiful, man. I'll get you a better picture of it. All right, here she is. I had to move her over because the chandelier was in the way, blocking the beauty. Now, I found Copper Steel Co. Adam at Copper Steel Co. I watch people make stills. I make stills. Now, if you're running a small still, that's awesome. But if you're to the point in this where you're ready to get a bigger still and you want a copper Cadillac, there's only one place I'd ever go. That's Copper Steel Co. I've seen a lot of people's work. I've viewed their pictures. I've viewed their videos. And hands down, his work always attracted me. I always thought, wow, this guy's building art. You know what I mean? It just, there's nothing else out there that looks as good as this. And having it in my hands right here, I don't think there's anybody could ever make a better still than this. And that's why I sought him out. He didn't find me, I found him. And we just got along. He said, hey, you got a lot of eyes on you. I said, yeah, man. I knew where it was headed. I wanted to go that direction in the first place. That's why I was over here commenting on it. So, and you know, I've had people approach me and want me to work out a deal with them, pushing their stills, and I just never found any I liked. So I went and found the one I liked the best, and we hit it off, and here we go. He said, I'll build you anything you want. And I couldn't imagine having anything bigger than this. Now, he will build you the same still, any size you want. This is, if you go to coppersteelco.com, this is the Philbilly still. This is specifically made for me. There's not another still out there. I'm not saying somebody can't replicate it. But this is, you know, an 8-inch manhole. Look at this thing. That's awesome. That is awesome. You know, it's a 20 gallon. It's more like a 22 gallon. I don't need anything bigger than that. Ever. I mean, if I bought a big old property, have me a farm going on with an extra barn, maybe, but I ain't going to need to make 100-gallon batches. But you can get this in 100-gallon if you want. You get it 50, 40, 30, whatever you want. He'll build it specific. This is hand-built. You know, it has this badass valve right here. That's the dump port, whatever you want to call it. Over here, you hook up your electric. This port over here. There's a 2-inch sight glass here, 3-inch sight glass there. I ain't never seen a prettier bourbon ball than that in my life. It's got a pressure release valve up there on top of the bourbon ball. I'll get you a better view of that. I'll put it on a smaller table and we'll come down on it if we can. Over here, we got a 5-gallon thumper. We got a 4-inch fruit port right here. And this infuser, man. This is the prettiest infuser I've seen yet. I make infusers and I can't hold a candle to that. Also has sight glass so you can see what's inside your infuser. That's cool. You don't have to run it with that if you don't want to infuse. But that's to add more flavor after the first half of your run's over. You just slam some more fruit down in there and there you go. I mean, I'm Philbilly, so if I really needed to, I could just open this up halfway through a run. I've changed jars running a jar setup, you know what I mean? And got a 5-gallon worm with half-inch pipe running through it. This is my dream still right here. I mean, I'm not saying I'm not going to have him build me no other ones, because once this deal gets worked out, you know, people start buying this, I might be like, hey, let's make some others. Something. But I know that I'm happier than a pig in shit right now. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And it's all him. It's all his work. He's definitely an artist. So if you are ready to graduate onto a copper Cadillac. Copper Still Co. is where I chose to go. And like I said, I look at stills all night on the internet when I'm surfing the internet. And I sit there, some people look at muscle cars, I look at stills. And I like them all. And I'm fans of everybody in the community. There's some people that do great work. But as far as having one made for me, I'm glad he decided to build me one. Because he's who I wanted. He was my number one pick. And I don't think I really got a number two. I can't wait to run it. This is electric. You could run this electric or fire, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna run it on electric, and I'm gonna try and keep it shiny as long as I can. It's pretty. It's beautiful. I already got my damn handprints all over it. But check it out. At least go look at the pictures. You know what I mean? Copperstillco.com. It's the Phil Billy Still, and got some big projects coming your way. Gonna run them right here on this. I might have to leave it here. I might put it over here. I don't know. I might have to build a shorter table for video purposes. But I mean, I could always put it right here and just have to move the garage around a little bit. You know what I mean? Either way, I hope you like this, and if you want one, go grab you one up. And check out Copper Still Co. on TikTok. Check him out on Facebook. He's a really awesome guy. His name's Adam. Thanks, Adam. Thanks, Copper Still Co. See y'all later.